Anger can be a problem in these five different ways. The first one is when it's too frequent. We're getting angry on a daily basis or continually with the same person, then it becomes an issue because it's too disturbing for our lives. Too often means that there's something else going on. And we need to look behind the anger to figure out what actually the anger is about. So sometimes when we're experiencing chronic pain, for instance, we have some sort of injury or even strong emotional pain, both of those things occur in the same spot in your brain. They light up the same area. It's like your body doesn't know the difference. But when we're experiencing emotional or physical pain, then we're more likely to react more often. People are burnt out, they're more likely to react more often. So when it's too frequent, not good. When it's too intense, right? When our anger is disproportionate to what actually occurred, it's a statement. Again, what's behind it? Often, if it's disproportionate, there's trauma behind it, and we need to look behind to when and where that occurred and how we hold that in our body. Another one is when it lasts too long. Right? If we get angry, but it goes on for hours or days or weeks or months or years even, it's unhealthy. It's not good for your physical or your emotional health. Another one is when we turn that anger into aggression. Anger and aggression are not the same thing. Anger is an emotion, and aggression turns it into an action. Aggression rarely is helpful for us. Anger is something that tells us, right? We feel that in our body, and it tells us something needs to change, something needs to be attended to. The other thing is that when anger disturbs relationships at work or at home, or it disturbs our ability to focus on work, then it becomes this issue because it's distracting us and it's taking away. And usually it involves us focusing on things that we have no control over. And it's worthy to understand all of these things and how it impacts you. The more we understand our own anger and what's behind it, the more we can do something with it. The more we can step back